In the shadow of progress, even the mighty fall. This once proud symbol of engineering now stands as a silent witness to time's unforgiving decay. This was once a symbol of power and precision. Now, time and elements claim their due. Rust spreads, water drips, and decay by nature. In the quiet decay of the junkyard, a mechanic approaches the forgotten Porsche, his deliberate actions a poignant reminder of time's relentless horror. The past clings like rust, unwilling to release its grip. Inside, the shadows stir, revealing what decay hides. Once a pinnacle of luxury and innovation, this Porsche
slowly but very much as the winch's inexorable pull seals its fate.
Onto a trailer, it journeys through the storm. On this highway of memories, the doors to renewal swing open, welcoming this rusted icon. Beneath the corrosion lies the promise of restoration. A journey begins, from decay to brilliance. High-pressure water blasting begins on the Porsche, stripping years of rust and dirt. The water physics are realistic. This is the first step in the restoration, transforming this neglected.
Layer by layer, the grime of time is gently wiped away, revealing the scars yet promising a new beginning, a labor of love, restoring what was lost.
Coupe, water washer lines hidden beneath. A simple cloth wipe transforms corrosion into clarity, unveiling its powerful. The mechanics begin by drilling out the rusted bolts securing the damaged doors. The pry bar is used to carefully remove the corroded body panels to avoid further damage to the chassis shell of a once proud machine. Torn seats and moldy carpets are pulled away, layer by layer. Each broken piece removed is a step toward rebirth, a reminder of times. Rust has spread like a disease, consuming the body of this once proud machine. With fire and steel, the mechanic battles the decay, sparks flying like stars. The rusted panels are completely removed, exposing the damaged frame. Visible holes in the body panels show the extent of the corrosion. Mechanics now prepare the new replacement sections for installation. The rust on this Cayenne is extensive, but we're bringing it back. Watch the arc fuse the new panel. This is precision craftsmanship. A new life for this Porsche. The restoration is progressing. The rusted body of the Porsche Cayenne is now repaired and ready for refinishing. Mechanics use electric sanders to smooth the panels, preparing the surface for paint. All right, removing the wheels. These are seized pretty bad. Copy that, using the impact wrench now. Front lev is off. Moving to the rear. Right side coming off now. Watch the suspension. Covered in oil sludge and the broken pipes, worn belts, and corroded turbo components, all needing extensive rest. First, we deep clean the components to remove all grease and oil residue. With the parts clean, we begin the rebuild, starting with the pistons and rods. Final assembly requires new turbochargers are precision mounted, unlocking superior power and efficiency. The fresh oil flows, breathing new life into this powerhouse. A symbol of precision and the quiet anticipation of restored power. Forged from precision, reborn with fury. Hear that spool? She's alive. The heart of a champion roars once more. Perfect combustion, she's purring now. Transformation reaches its climax. Each spray brings the vision to life. Precision and artistry unite in this moment. A masterpiece reborn in blue. The first attempt to start the repaired engine. A moment of truth where precision meets power and the beast stirs. A symphony of rebirth. Will it hold?
Some legends never die.